What is up, squad fam? Rock on! Okay, I literally never say that. What's up? Hey! Ugh. Hey guys, it's Jennifer, and y'all are only getting one pillow today because I'm lazy. Okay, never mind, I just got another pillow because, you're welcome. Today I'm going to be telling you guys 10 ways to stop being lazy / procrastinating and start being productive. You guys, I'm probably the worst person to be giving this type of advice. I'm probably the least productive person that I know. But guys, it's hashtag 2018, hashtag New Year, New Me. So we're in this together. Hopefully I do end up being more of a productive person by the end of the year. We have 12 months to figure that out. Hopefully I will follow my own advice and stop being so lazy. So I'm sweating. I don't know why. It's like the middle of winter in Canada. If you like this video, make sure to like it. Not just emotionally. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe. Why am I still talking? You guys probably don't even watch the intro anyway, so let's get started. Okay, so I wrote these down because I am an organized 2018 chick. Rock on. Okay, I literally need to stop. Tip number 1, literally what I just showed you guys. Write things down / schedule everything. My life changed when I started writing down my plans and I stopped forgetting what I was supposed to do. Whether that be writing down physically in a notebook / planner or on sticky notes, sticking them somewhere, or typing them out onto your phone in your notes or reminders. I love using reminders. That's like pretty much the only time that I use Siri. I just tell her, hey Siri, remind me to read Shakespeare at 11 p.m. I usually separate it into using my planner for school stuff, and then I write down all my YouTube stuff in my Google Calendar or Apple Calendar. Also, writing things down makes it more concrete. It makes you remember that you're supposed to do something. It makes it more legit. Like if it's just in your mind, you're gonna be like, oh, like whatever, I don't really have to do it. But if you write it down, like it's something that's real, you gotta do it, and it just helps me a lot. Tip number 2 is to tell somebody else that you're gonna be doing something. For me, I like to sometimes tweet about it, saying I'm gonna get this video up by tomorrow. And so it makes it more legit because then other people know that you're gonna do it, and then you have this feeling that you have to do it not just for yourself, but for somebody else, and it kind of just forces you to do something. Number 3 is get out of your bed. I'm in my bed right now, but it's irrelevant. Don't do your work on your bed because I have done that so many times, and I honestly go back to it sometimes. It's just a bad idea, okay? Like it's so comfortable on your bed, you're gonna end up falling asleep or getting lazy, and you're just gonna be too comfortable to do your work. I know your bed is your best friend, but you gotta get out of it. So what I like to do is go to a clean space, a table that is clear of any distractions, and just work there. And then when you're done, you can reward yourself by sleeping. Number 4 is to clean your room, and I know this kind of implies being not lazy in the first place. If your room is clean, you'd feel so much better about yourself. You feel inspired to do work. A clean space, clean mind. Even if you don't like completely organize everything, just have a clean space at least. If you have a lot of mess, just clean up a little bit. It'll make you feel a bit better. And it's kind of like this thing where you cleaned so you feel productive and you want to be more productive so you keep doing your work. Actually, right now my room is super messy, which I know this literal fly. I'm all for animal rights, but if you don't stop flying, I will literally smack you down. I actually can't show you guys my room right now. It's actually a literal mess because I'm actually redoing it right now. I think it's gonna be really lit. I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos about redoing my room, so stay tuned, y'all. I'm so excited. Number 5 is to make sure you're getting enough sleep, and I know that's way easier said than done. Do you ever notice when you're trying to read a paragraph or like a book or a text or something and you like keep rereading the same paragraph for like 10 minutes straight? It's probably because you're like sleep deprived and your brain is not really functioning. If you actually get enough sleep, you don't have to read it like 10 times. You just read it once and your brain processes it. So I know it's so hard to get sleep, but my way to get sleep is kind of like weird. If I sleep at say 3 a.m., I'll force myself to wake up at like say like 9 a.m., which is like pretty early for me, and I'll just wake up then, and then by the end of the day I'll be so tired that I'll actually sleep at a normal time, and that way it kind of like resets your schedule. So if you have a messed up sleeping schedule, try this out, see if it works. If you're getting enough sleep, you'll be so much more productive, trust me. Number 6 is a way to get yourself out of the bed. I sometimes like to play energetic music to get me in the mood to be more of a morning person. I'm definitely not a morning person, and it kind of sucks sometimes. I'm disgusting. So I put on Spotify and I put on my playlist with bops that get me hyped in the morning. Even if you're feeling groggy, it'll just pump you up. Try to like move a little bit to get you out of that inertia of lying in your bed. It kind of just like jumpstarts your day. You start off doing a little bopping. Happy music just equals happy mood for me. Okay, number 7 is also a similar type of thing to help you wake up in the morning. Open the curtains at night so that in the morning the light will be streaming in and you'll wake up at like a normal hour. Light is actually way more effective than sound at waking your body up. It's science. I don't really know how to explain it. Okay, number 8 is to drink more water. I'm gonna be honest, I suck at this. I don't know how I haven't shriveled up into a raisin yet because I literally never drink water. Everyone knows water is all around just good for you. You should be drinking water, blah, 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 blah. But do you ever feel like even when you get enough sleep, you feel really groggy and like still sleepy? It's probably because you're dehydrated, so try drinking water in the mornings if you're feeling really tired. If you want to be like Tumblr and like aesthetic, you can add some fruit inside to make it look better. Do it for the Insta, do it for the Snapchat, the social media, but like also do it for yourself. Water's good for you. You guys already know that. Number 9 is to surround yourself with productive people. If your social life is currently unavailable like mine, you can actually search up on YouTube. I believe it's like study with me videos, and I actually found this out by accident, and it's basically videos of this girl studying, like literally just studying. I don't know, it just feels like you have a study buddy with you and it makes you feel like you're not alone and you have a social life, kind of. But I find those really helpful because it makes me stay on track, makes me be focused because it feels like someone else is like kind of with you, you know what I mean? But obviously if you do have friends you can study with, that would be the best option. Number 10, I literally always mention these. There's this app called the Self-Control app that I use on my Mac, and it lets you block certain websites for a certain amount of time. And I think I blocked certain websites for like a 10-hour period one time during finals. It honestly really helped. And those are all the tips, but I just want to say that you can only start being productive and stop being lazy when you actually want to. Nobody else can force you to do it. It's your life. Only you can change it. Other people can tell you and I can like give you advice and whatever, but you are the only one who can actually change your own life. So things are only going to change if you actually want it bad enough. Even if you watch a bunch of videos of people giving you advice on how to be more productive and like stop procrastinating, if you don't actually want it and if you don't actually work for it, then girl, it's not gonna happen. Personally, I consider myself a huge procrastinator and it's like really bad. It like creates so many bad habits in my life. And I have this kind of mindset that like I wanna be distracted and like do whatever I want right now. I like don't really care about later. But if you really wanna get crap done, you gotta think about whether or not it's worth it to just do whatever you want right now rather than later. And I think that is all I have to say on how to stop procrastinating / how to stop being lazy. To be honest, these tips are kind of all over the place, but they're just kind of general tips on how to improve your life for 2018, and let's get on that grind for 2018. I know I was saying this like super sarcastically, but I actually want to get my life together for 2018, and maybe we can get our lives together. That is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Shout out of the week right here. If you want to get a shout out in the next video, keep in touch with me on my social media. I will see you guys next time. Bye!